Hi, my name is Margaret. This is the first unit of 3. The class I'm working with today is a 12-to-1 class, which means there are 12 students, 1 special education teacher, and 1 paraprofessional. The standards that I'll be using today are the new generation for science standards, which is heredity, inheritance, and variation of traits. The Common Core learning standards are site-specific textual evidence to support analysis of science and technical text. The primary learning target for today's class was students will be able to identify an animal's classification based on its characteristics. The modification for this classroom is I have an autistic child in the room, and they use the first-then technique, which is first they have to do work and then they'll receive something. The focus question will be what are the different classification of animals. The vocabulary and language communication is mammal, bird, reptile, fish, amphibian, and characteristics. The independent activity for this class will be students will use an interactive science link from my class site to match the characteristics of different animals to their groups. So the students will be able to come over to their computers and they will be able to click on an item, drag it down to the jar, and see if it stays or if it goes. My informal assessment will be check with students to track their progress. For my autistic student, I will also have a checklist on her desk, which she will be able to be reminded on what she's working towards. Formal assessment, students will use exit tickets, which have different types of animals, where they're going to have to name the animal and the characteristics of each animal. An animal that belongs to each of these different animal classifications, students' assessment and progress will be tracked in their benchmark folders.